Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to make perfectly fluffy couscous every time. I'm willing to bet that the package of couscous you have at home has a recipe similar to this on the box, but I'm a visual learner and I know there's other visual learners out there, so I'm going to show you how to do it visually. Plus, I'm going to share a couple tips and tricks that I've learned after many years of watching this made in multiple different ways by my Moroccan family. So we're going to start in a saucepan and we're going to add our water as well as some oil and salt. And you're going to want the water and couscous ratio to be 1-to-1. So if you're using a cup of water, you'll use a cup of couscous, 2 cups of water, 2 cups of couscous, and so on. You'll bring this to a boil before adding in your dried couscous and then immediately turn off the heat, cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid, and set a timer for 10 minutes and just walk away. From here, you can fluff your couscous with a fork and you are ready to serve and enjoy. It really is that easy. You kind of just spend a few minutes cooking and then you've got this beautifully fluffy pasta that you are ready to enjoy.